Welcome to the Programs area. This is where you can schedule your workouts, nutrition plans and other tasks to be delivered to your clients without having to lift a finger. The layout of the page is very similar to the workouts and nutrition area. You have pre-made programs that run across the top of the screen where you can download, edit and assign to your clients super quick to be up and running in seconds. You'll also be familiar with the list view of programs, along with the search and filter functions. The footer of the page is where you'll find the Create New Program button. So let's hit this and give our new program a name. Now we're in the Builder feature itself, we can assign tasks to specific dates. The first thing you can see is the week template that currently has update photo and update measurements on day 1. If you don't want to include these, you can remove them by hitting the menu icons next to each day and selecting Remove. However, we always suggest taking measurements and photos at the beginning of a program. To assign a task to a specific day, just hit the Add New button and select an item from the list that appears. You also see we have quite a range of activities you can add to each day, along with workouts in the morning or afternoon. Don't worry, if you're not sure what works best for your clients here, these are just suggested workout times to give you an idea of when the push notification will be sent to your clients, telling them they have a workout to complete.
You can even add automated messages so that your clients receive these on that day, where you can add dynamic fields to make it more personalised and give the clients the motivation they need, or just information.
As you can see, it's simply a process of adding what you want your clients to be completing on that day. Once you've added your first week's worth of activity, you can either go ahead and add a blank new week by hitting Add Week button. Alternatively, you can duplicate the week by hitting the duplicate icon and making amendments. Another really powerful tool to save you time is the Assign to the Entire Week button. Here you can add a task to each day of the week in just a few clicks. The final couple of icons you need to be aware of are the trash can icon, which will delete the week it's applicable to, and duplicate to another program icon where you can copy a particular week over to another program to reduce any repetitive workload. The sort functionality is also available here. Similar to the workout and nutrition plan builder, you can reorder your weeks by simply dragging and dropping. At the top of the page, you'll see the Details tab. As with most other areas of My PT Hub, this is where you can add an image to your program and a description. You also have a few other controls here for when you schedule your clients' workouts in their diaries. And as we mentioned previously, when we send a push notification as a reminder of the task they have to complete. The final control you have here is the linking tool. If you have multiple programs, you can choose to lead this program into another. Once you've finished programming, quick tip, it's well worth adding another photo and measurement update at the end of the program to show your clients the programs from start to finish. Hit the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. You are now ready to hit the menu icon alongside the program and assign to your clients. Here you can choose at the start date of the program, or you can allow the clients to choose their own start date. Either way, once they've started their program, you can keep an eye on how they're getting on through the Compliance tab. Here you'll find an overview of all your clients that are currently working through program, along with how successful they've been with completing the tasks that you've set. This is a great tool to manage your clients and keep them motivated. Alongside each one, you'll be able to message them directly. This means that from underneath the filter option, you can then filter the compliance rating, where you can either offer some more of encouragement and support those who are struggling a little bit, or congratulate and motivate those who are crushing it. If you want to make any changes to your client's program, you can do so in their profile directly, and it will update just for them. You'll also find the compliance area on the hub, where you can find a quick snapshot of your clients and see how they're getting on as a collective.